Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Staying at home only, no? Okay, stay safe, stay home, okay? Okay, I am your maths teacher. My name is Jyoti. Today we are going to see 3rd class maths, okay? First chapter is recap. Children, open page number 62. Have you opened, children? Page number 62? Okay. See, what is the first Roman we are having? Write in words. We all are studying in the 2nd class, no? Words. Words means they will be giving a number. For that number we should write in the words. Okay? So tell me this, what we will pronounce it? Say me children. 76. Yeah, very good. So now we should write this in words. How we will write? Tell me. 76. 76 means SEVENTY. 70. Take a finger gap. And next SIX. So 76. Have you got children? 76. Okay. Let us go for B bit. What is B bit? 105. How we will read? 105. So how we should write? Say me 100 and spelling. 1 O-N-E 1. What is 100 spelling? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100 and A-N-D and F-I-V-E 5. Okay, this is 105. Got it children? Okay. Now move to the second bit. What is the second one? Write the numerals. Here they are giving the what in words they are giving, we should write the number. So go for A bit. What they have given? Read it, Amma. 525. What they have given? 525. So how we should write? First, for this also for easy method you can write 100 tens ones place value. Based on this place value we can easily write the numerals. So here in hundreds place what is there? 5. 525. Got it children? And next B1 is 202. Second, what is the B1? 202. In hundreds place we should write 2. And what is there? 202. No tens place. So in the tens place we should keep 0 and in ones place 2. Okay children, got it? And next third one, expanded form. Expanded form. Have you remembered the expanded form children? Have you remembered? Okay, once we recap what is expanded form. So here we will be having a number and we should write this number in expanded form. That is nothing but similar to the ones, hundreds, tens place only. For this also we can assume 100, tens, ones. So what is in ones place? 7. What is in tens place? 20. What is in hundreds place? 300. Okay, like this we can expand the given number. And let us go for C bit. What is C bit? 1789. Here children, while you are making place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So what is in ones place children? Can you say what is in ones place? 9. Yes, very good. Tens place? 80. Hundreds place? 700. Thousands place? 1. Okay children, similarly do the remaining bits. Okay, now coming to page number 63. Children, open page number 63. What is in page number 63? Write the numerals. So we should write the numerals for the given expanded form numbers. So okay, page number 63, 4th bit. So what is A? 2 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 6 ones. So we should write the number. So 2 hundreds means here also we can take place values, hundreds, tens, ones. So in ones place what is there? 6. Tens place 5. Hundreds place 2. Have you got, children? I am repeating one more time. So in ones place what is there? 6 ones is there, no? So in ones place we should write 6. In tens place we should write 5. And in hundreds place we should write 2. So what is the numeral we got for 200s plus 5 tens plus 6 ones? 256. Have you got, children? Okay. Next we will go for D1. They have given the number, and for this also this is in expanded form. So we should write the number. So this also we can consider in the place value 100, tens, ones. So what is in ones place? 5. What is in tens place? 2. What is in hundreds place? 4. So for 400 and plus 20 plus 5 expanded form, we will get the numeral 425. Have you got the, children? Okay. Similarly do the B, D and E bits. Okay. And now we will move to the 5th bit. This is fill in the blanks. So have you remembered, children? These are comparing the numbers. What are these symbols? What is this symbol? Greater than, this one less than, and this one equal to. When we will use these symbols? For example, 2 and 3. So which one is bigger? Always we should, how we should compare the numbers? We should compare this left digit number with right digit number. Understand, children? So always you should check left digits with right digits. So here 2 is less than, greater than or equal to 3. What is the answer? 2 is less than 3. 2 is greater than 3. 2 is equal to 3. What is the correct one, children? 2 is less than 3. So we should write the less than symbol. So now going into the page number 63, 5th bit. So first see C bit, C1. So there are having 999 and 99. So tell me, children, what we will get the answer? See here, simply this is 3 digit and this is 2 digit number. So while we can compare easily with how many digit numbers? So here 3 digit number is greater than compared to 2 digit number. So here 999 is greater than 99. Okay. And let's see one more one. So 172, 271. Children, here you got 3 digit numbers. Both are 3 digit number. While comparing, if we got the same digit numbers, so then first we should check hundreds place. So in hundreds place here is 1 and here is 2. Now compare two numbers, children. 1 is less than 2. So 172 is less than 271. Have you understand this, children? Okay. Now let us move for 6th bit, that is ascending order. How many of you have remembered ascending order, children? What is ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Okay, ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. So in this we have given that first they have given 345, 543, 435, 354, 453. Okay, children, in ascending order also, ascending order or descending order, first you should check all are 2 digit, 3 digit, how many digit numbers you should check. Here all are 3 digit number. So compare hundreds place for all. So 3, 5, 4, 3, 4. What is ascending order? Small number to big number. So among this all, what is the small number? 3. So here there are two numbers, 345, 354. While you are getting like this, then you should go for tens place. So what is the tens place? 4, 5. Here, which one is smaller number, 4 or 5? Can I hear what is the smallest number? 4. So first you should write 345. Next 354. Why? Because we are writing ascending order. It means small to big. Here 4 is small and 5 is big. So we should write 345 first, and next is 354. And next, which one is smaller? 4. So here also there are two numbers, 435, 453. Now cross check tens place. 3, 5. Which one is smaller? 3. So we should write 435. Next to 453, and the last remaining one is 5. There is only one number, so at last we will get 543. So children, see here, 345, 354, 435, 453, 543. So these are number from starting onwards. If we see, these are in increasing order, that is nothing but ascending order. Okay, similarly you do the B bit. Now 7th bit is descending order. Descending order means big to small. So here, while ascending order is small to big, here descending order is big to small. Okay, let's go with A bit, that is 471. Is the big to small? 471, 271, 571, 371, 171. So this is big to small. So here also these all are 3-digit numbers. So among this, which one is the big number? From which place we should select that what is big number? That is hundreds place. So here it is 4, 2, 5, 3, 1. So which one is biggest? 5. So first we should write 571. Next 4, 471. Next 3, 371. Next 271. Next 171. Have you got it, children? Okay, once again I will repeat. Descending order means big to small. It means big number to small number. How we should select big number? So we should see the hundreds place. So first while we are comparing in hundreds place, which one will be bigger? 5. So we are writing 571. Next one is 4, 471. Next is 3, 371. Next is 2, 271. Next is 1, 171. Okay, children, have you got? Okay, you do the B bit. Next 8th bit. 8th bit is, okay, before going to 8th bit, now we should know what is even number and what is odd number. So what is even number? Even number means, have you know all children numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, have you remembered 2 table? Can you tell for me? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So the numbers which are multiples of 2 are nothing but even numbers. Even numbers means multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or we can consider it as also 10 or 0 also, because in multiples of 2 we will be getting 0 also. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are multiples of 2 and these are called as even number. What are odd numbers? The remaining numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called as even numbers. What are those, children, which I have not round up? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, these are odd numbers. So once again, even numbers means multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 0. These are called as even numbers, and the numbers which are not multiples of 2, it means which I have not round up, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are called odd numbers. So now we will go for 8th bit. What is the first one? Write 4 even numbers between 52 and 62. So what are the even numbers? 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62. These all are multiples of 2. Yes, children? So, these are the even numbers between 52 and 62. Next, B bit. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Right? Odd numbers between 52 and 62. So, the remaining numbers which are left behind here, those are nothing but odd numbers. So, here only any 4. So, we can write 53, 55, 57, 59, and we can also write 61. Okay. So, let's see C bit. Countings of 5. So, it means for everyone we should count 5. Okay. 55. Next, for 55 add 5 numbers: 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So next number is 60. Again add 5 to 60, we will be getting 65. Next number is 70, 75, 80. Have you understood this, children? Counting of 5s. For any given number we should add 5. 55. Next number is 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So again you should add 5 numbers for 60. Then you will be getting 65. Again if we are adding 5, we will be getting 70, 75, 80. Okay. Similarly, next one is hundreds. So we should now, we have added here 5s. No. Next one is hundreds. 400 to 800. 400. Now add 4. After 400, what we will get by adding 100? 500. Next one is 600. 700 and 800. Have you got it, children? Okay, do the page number 62, 63 and remaining bits. Okay, thank you.